If YouTube videos are taking forever to load in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes to reduce loading time, improve playback, and get YouTube running smoothly again. These steps are simple, free, and safe to try on your own browser. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and YouTube tips. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet speed. A slow or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons YouTube videos keep buffering or loading very slowly. Open another website and see if it loads normally. If other sites are also slow, the issue may be your internet connection, not YouTube or Chrome. You can also run a quick speed test to check your download speed and ping. If things seem sluggish, restart your router and modem. That small step often clears up connection problems and gives your network a fresh start. Next, refresh the YouTube page in Google Chrome. Sometimes the page or video session gets stuck and a normal refresh isn't enough. Open YouTube in Chrome and press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. This performs a hard refresh, which forces Chrome to reload the page completely instead of using a stored version. It can instantly fix video pages that are hanging, freezing, or taking too long to begin playing. Now, let's clear Chrome's cache. Over time, cached files and cookies can become outdated or corrupted, and that can slow down YouTube loading or cause strange playback issues. To clear them, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete in Chrome. A menu will appear where you can choose what to remove. Select cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. Then click Delete Data. Once that's done, reload YouTube and check whether the videos load faster. This is one of the most effective fixes when Chrome starts acting sluggish with streaming sites. If YouTube is still loading slowly, the next step is to disable hardware acceleration. This feature uses your graphics card to help with rendering, but on some systems, it can actually cause performance issues instead of improving them. To turn it off, go to Chrome Settings, then click System. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it off. After that, click Relaunch so Chrome can restart with the new setting. Once Chrome opens again, test YouTube and see if the loading time improves. Another important step is updating Google Chrome. Outdated browser versions can lead to compatibility problems, slower performance, and even video playback bugs. To check for updates, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. If it updates, restart the browser and try YouTube again. New versions often include performance improvements that can make a noticeable difference. You can also lower the video quality on YouTube, especially if your internet connection is not very fast. Higher resolutions like 1080p or 4K take longer to load and may buffer more often. While watching a video, click the settings gear icon, select quality, and choose a lower option like 720p or 480p. This reduces the amount of data needed and helps the video start faster. It's a simple fix that can make a big difference on slower networks. Finally, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. Some VPN servers slow down streaming and add extra delay when loading YouTube videos. If you have a VPN app running, turn it off temporarily and test the site again. If you've configured a proxy in your network settings, disable that too. This can often restore normal loading speeds right away. So to recap, if YouTube videos are loading slowly in Google Chrome, start by checking your internet speed, then hard refresh the page, clear Chrome cache, disable hardware acceleration, update Chrome, lower video quality, and turn off VPN or proxy services. These steps solve most loading problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.